Want to know how to book cheap flights? Well, you're in for a treat. This video is all about unveiling the secrets to getting the best deals in the sky. There's an art to scoring cheap flights, and it's more important than you might think. It's not just about saving money, it's about making travel accessible and expanding your horizons. We'll be diving into understanding airline pricing, the importance of timing, using flight comparison websites, and the key role flexibility plays. Stay tuned as we reveal a step-by-step guide on how to book cheap flights. Before we journey on, remember to hit the subscribe button and join our channel. We're all about making travel easier, cheaper, and more enjoyable for you. Don't miss out. And once you've tried our hacks, we want to hear from you. Leave a comment below sharing your experiences. Your feedback might just help another traveler score their dream trip at a dream price. So let's get booking. Now we challenge you to put our tips into action. Try out these flights and let us know how it goes. Drop us a comment below sharing your experience and any savings you managed to secure. We can't wait to hear your tales of travel triumph. Ever wondered how airlines determine their prices? It's a fascinating blend of science, economics, and a dash of guesswork. Let's break it down. Firstly, time of booking plays a huge role. The earlier you book, the lower the price, typically. This is because airlines want to fill seats as soon as possible, and early bird prices can be quite attractive. Then there's the time of flight. Odd hours like late at night or very early in the morning are usually less expensive. Why? Simply because they're less popular. Speaking of popularity, route popularity is another significant factor. High-demand routes like New York to London tend to be pricier due to the sheer volume of passengers. Lastly, we have seasonality. High season means high prices. If you're planning to fly during holidays or peak tourist seasons, expect to pay a premium. Knowing these factors will help you strategize when booking your flight. So, let's dive deeper into how you can use this knowledge to your advantage. Timing is everything when it comes to booking cheap flights. It's like a game of chess. Each move needs strategic planning. One common strategy is to book well in advance. Airlines often offer lower fares for those who plan ahead. We're talking several months in advance here, not just a few weeks, but don't be discouraged if you're not the planning type. There's also the thrill of scoring last-minute deals. Some airlines slash their prices to fill empty seats as the departure date nears. It's a bit of a gamble, but it can pay off big time. And then there's the Tuesday myth. Many believe that airlines release their discounted seats on Tuesdays. However, this isn't always the case. The best time to book can vary greatly depending on the airline and the route. Remember, early bird gets the worm, but sometimes so does the late bird. Flight comparison websites are your best friends in finding cheap flights. Imagine having a personal assistant who tirelessly scours the internet, comparing hundreds of flights from various airlines just to find the best deal for you. Well, that's essentially what flight comparison websites do. They're like your digital personal assistants, making your hunt for cheap flights a breeze. Using these websites is as easy as pie. Simply enter your departure and destination, along with your preferred travel dates. The website then pulls up a list of flights from various airlines, sorted by price. You can also refine your search by choosing the number of stops, flight duration, or the airlines you prefer. But what makes these websites a gem is the feature that allows you to set up price alerts. Yes, you heard it right. You can set a price alert for a particular route, and the website will notify you when the price drops. This feature is a godsend, especially for those who have flexible travel dates. Now you may ask, which flight comparison websites should I use? There are numerous out there, but some of the reliable ones include Skyscanner, Kayak, and Google Flights. They have user-friendly interfaces and offer a wide range of options. Remember, if you're looking for the best deal, don't just rely on one website. Try a few, because each one has its own set of deals and airlines they work with. A quick comparison can save you a lot of money. Being flexible with your travel dates and destinations can help you find cheaper flights. Let's delve into this. Imagine you've got your heart set on Paris in July. July is peak tourist season in Paris, and everyone knows it, including the airlines. That's when flight prices skyrocket. Instead, consider visiting in the shoulder season like May or September. The weather's still lovely and your wallet will thank you. The same logic applies to your travel dates. Midweek flights, especially those on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, tend to be less expensive than weekend ones. Early morning or late night flights, affectionately known as red-eyes, are also usually cheaper. And don't forget about your destination. If Paris is out of your budget, why not try a less popular but equally charming French city like Lyon or Bordeaux? Remember, the more you're willing to adapt your plans, the more chances you have to save. Flexibility can be the key to your budget travel. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've journeyed through the maze of airline pricing, timing your booking, the use of flight comparison websites, and the importance of flexibility in your travel plans. We started off by understanding how airline pricing works. It's a complex system influenced by factors such as demand, competition, and time of booking. Airlines use a strategy called yield management to maximize their profits, adjusting prices based on these factors. So the next time you see fluctuating prices, remember it's not random but carefully calculated. Then we talked about timing. Timing is everything when you're looking to book cheap flights. Generally, the best time to book is around 2 to 3 months before your departure date. However, for holiday seasons or popular travel times, it's wise to book even earlier. But remember, booking too early can be as costly as booking too late. Moving on, we explored the wonderful world of flight comparison websites. These sites are your best buddies in the quest for cheap flights. They scour the internet, compare prices from various airlines, and present you with the best deals. Some popular ones include Skyscanner, Kayak, and Google Flights. Remember, always cross-check across multiple sites to ensure you're really getting the best deal. Lastly, we discussed the importance of flexibility in travel plans. Being open to flying on different days, at different times, or even from different airports can save you a significant amount of money. Sometimes flying indirect can also be cheaper. So keep an open mind and an open itinerary. In summary, booking cheap flights isn't a matter of luck, it's a skill. By understanding airline pricing, timing your booking wisely, utilizing flight comparison websites, and maintaining flexibility in your travel plans, you're well on your way to mastering this skill. Armed with these tips, you are now ready to book your next cheap flight. Safe travels.